How to create a custom focus mode on your iPhone. Creating a custom focus lets you personalize notifications, choose who can contact you, and reduce distractions based on your daily activities. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap Focus. Next, tap the plus icon in the top right corner and select Custom. Now, enter a name for your focus mode. Choose a color and an icon. You'll now be able to customize your focus. Select the people you want to allow notifications from. Choose the apps that can send you notifications. Once you've finished customizing everything, tap Done to save your new focus mode. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom focus mode on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and tutorials.